I'm Rovena Preca, and I'm a researcher at ENEA, the Italian National Agency for New Technologies, Energy and Sustainable Economic Development. ENEA is the lead partner of the MEID project, the Mediterranean Eco-Industrial Development, which is a project financed by the MEID program. This project involves 10 partners coming from 5 different European Union countries and an IPA country, which is Bosnia-Herzegovina. I'm here to present the main elements of the MEID model, which is also the main deliverable of this project. It is a management model concerning sustainable industrial areas. Which is the aim of this management model? The principal aim of this model is to improve the competitiveness of the territories and overcome the risk of the deindustrialization. The key concepts of the MEID model have to do with the unitary management, so the management of the whole area. It involves a shared industrial policy of the area, and it includes the usage of the best available techniques, which can also be intended as best practices for the region. The MEID management model is structured in 3 paths, depending on the degree of the development and the structure of the industrial areas. The first path has to do with the new industrial areas. The second path has to do with the non-structured industrial areas, so already existing ones but not structured ones. And the third path is the structured industrial areas, so those areas that are already existing, they're structured, but they're not yet sustainable industrial ones. The first path, the one that concerns the building of the new industrial area, involves the planning phase and also the design phase. So a strategic environmental assessment on the planning phase. On the design phase, it is a good practice to implement sustainable industrial building rules and guidelines that the MEID project has also produced, and the thinking of shared infrastructure and shared services inside the area. In the end of the path, it is a good practice to detect the managing company for the area. The second path, that has to do with non-structured industrial area, has as the first step the mapping of the area, so understanding which are the enterprises located inside the zone, and detection of common objectives for the development of the enterprises. Also, a good collaboration among enterprises. So a network among enterprises is necessary in order to have a sustainable path for the future. The detection of a promoting subject is also very important in order to have a point of reference in the final phase, in the final stage of this path. The third path deals with structured industrial areas, so it encompasses a systemic approach. So first of all is the detection of the management of the managing company, the subject that can manage the whole area, then understanding which can be the centralized services and infrastructures, the implementation of sustainable industrial building norms inside the enterprises, and in the end, implementation of environmental management system elements for the whole area. This is also the third path of the MEID management model. This model is now being tested in 3 different areas of the Mediterranean, which is Padova, Ragusa, and Valencia in Spain. After the implementation of these pilot actions, we will have the final output, which will be the validated MEID management model. Thank you very much.